Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change navigation icon style in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. See here the navigation buttons style. If you would like to change to other style, yes, you can do it. What you got to do, just go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to system management. Go to system management here, and then go to system navigation here. Then here swipe navigate and just see icon style. Icon style is as of now selected to this first one. They are showing here. If you like to use other one, yes, you can do it. Just select second one. See here, icon style has been changed. Okay, you can also reverse the order of the navigation keys. Okay, so in this way you can easily change icon style. If you would like to change back to default icon style, choose the first icon style. So in this way you can easily change system navigation icon style in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.